Let's learn about wild animals today. But first, meet my friends, Aiden the dinosaur and Anna the unicorn. They will make a surprise appearance later in the video. Help me find out what their favorite animals are. Are you ready? Let's go! Lion, lion, tiger, tiger, zebra, zebra, elephant, elephant, rhinoceros, rhinoceros, chimpanzee, chimpanzee, polar bear, polar bear, giraffe, giraffe, leopard, leopard, panda, panda, hippopotamus, hippopotamus. So, how did it go? Did you find out what Aiden's and Anna's favorite animals are? That's right! Aiden likes the elephant and Anna likes the panda! Well done, little one! By the way, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now!